Imagine that you walk into a meeting, talk for an hour straight, and leave with perfectly written notes, action items, and speaker identification without lifting a pen. Sounds like magic, right? But nope, that's just Otter AI. Let me show you how this futuristic little tool is changing the game for students, teams, and busy professionals. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I break down the coolest productivity tools, AI apps, and software to help you save time and work smarter. Today, we're diving into Otter AI, which is a powerful AI-powered transcription tool that turns your voice conversations, meetings, interviews, lectures into accurate, organized text in real time. It's like having a personal note-taker who never misses a word, highlights key points, and even lets you collaborate with others on transcripts. Sounds wild, right? So let's get into what users are saying. Over on Trustpilot, Otter AI has a 3.7 out of 5 star rating from nearly 500 users. The positives? People love its accurate transcription, easy interface, and how it helps them focus during meetings without worrying about notes. One user even called it a game changer, but it's not all perfect. Some users mentioned billing issues and said the account settings could be more transparent. Most people agree that if you want a reliable note-taker, Otter is one of the best out there. Now let's break down how to actually use Otter AI into 3 key features and workflows. First up, let's talk about Otter AI Chat, and trust me, this is way more than just transcription. This feature acts like your personal meeting assistant. Instead of sifting through hours of recordings or scrolling through transcripts trying to find one specific decision or update, you can just ask Otter. You might type something like, "What did we decide about pricing in last week's leadership meeting? When is the next product launch scheduled?" Or even, "What were our Q4 earnings numbers?" And Otter searches your entire conversation history, pulls context from the discussion, and gives you a straightforward, accurate answer. It's like ChatGPT, but trained on your meetings. This is especially powerful in busy team environments where things move fast and important details can easily get lost. Whether you're prepping for a follow-up call or recapping last week's brainstorming session, Otter AI Chat has your back. There's a bonus tip that you don't even have to overthink the question. You can press space on your keyboard or click the little sparkle icon to get suggested questions automatically. So yeah, this feature is still a lifesaver when your memory blanks out during a deadline rush. So that's the end of feature number 1. Now let's move on to feature number 2. All right, so feature 2 is all about smart integrations, and this is where Otter truly levels up. Let's start with Slack. You can connect Otter to your Slack workspace to easily invite teammates, share transcripts, and even receive real-time notifications about your meetings. No more digging through threads or wondering if someone took notes. Otter drops them right in. Next up is Salesforce. If you're in sales or lead management, this is huge. Otter pulls conversation insights directly into Salesforce, helping your team make better decisions, track deals more effectively, and ultimately close more sales. You'll need to contact Otter's sales team to enable this one. It's currently in trial, but it's a serious productivity booster. And we have HubSpot, similar vibe here, and it automatically enriches your deal records and context using insights from your sales calls. Basically, every conversation becomes fuel for your CRM. And of course, Zoom. If you have Zoom Pro, Business, or Enterprise account, Otter can auto-join your meetings, transcribe everything live, and send out a neat summary when you are done. You don't even have to press record. Otter handles it for you, but we're not done yet. Otter also connects with Dropbox, letting you sync video and audio files straight into Otter for a transcription. Once transcribed, you can push the text files right back into Dropbox. For scheduling and context syncing, it integrates with both Google Calendar and Contacts and Microsoft Calendar and Contacts, so Otter knows when your meetings are and who's attending, making the whole process completely hands-off. So whether you're a solo founder or working on a massive team, these integrations let Otter seamlessly fit into your daily workflow. No tech headaches, no extra tabs, just plug, play, and focus on what matters. So that's the end of feature number 2. Now let's move on to feature number 3. So if you're in sales or lead management, listen closely. Otter's Sales Toolkit is built to save you hours of admin work while supercharging your call strategy. You can start by recording or importing a sales call and simply mark it as a sales call in the dashboard. From there, Otter steps in with AI-powered insights, automatically extracting critical details like budget, need, action items, competitors, and BANT frameworks. Basically, all the data your sales CRM dreams of, but without having to lift a finger. Then comes the magic. Otter can sync these insights directly into your CRM. So whether you're using Salesforce, HubSpot, or something else, your call notes and action points are pushed in automatically. And if you work with a team, Otter gives you real-time visibility into your team's sales calls by sharing all recorded conversations into a central channel. You will always know what's going on without needing to jump on every single call. And if you've connected your Google or Outlook calendar, Otter will even auto-join meetings, transcribe them, and generate follow-ups, all without any manual setup. This feature isn't just note-taking, it's call intelligence plus automation built for actual results. So that's the end of feature number 3. Now let's move on to who it's actually for. So who should actually use Otter? It's best for students, for lectures, study groups, and revising. Remote teams for capturing meeting notes without distress. Podcasters and journalists who need accurate transcripts fast. Solo entrepreneurs for coaching calls or planning sessions. Basically, if you talk a lot and hate typing, this is for you. So since no tool is perfect, a few things I think could be improved. Accent detection. It struggles slightly with non-American accents or fast speakers. Mobile user interface. The app works well but could be more intuitive when editing transcripts on a phone. Free plan limitations. The free tier is decent, but heavy users will need to upgrade for longer transcription time. And Otter AI does offer affiliate programs. If you want to benefit from it, you can simply head over and join it. And for developers and companies wondering, yes, Otter AI does offer API access. Though it's not publicly advertised, you'll need to contact their sales team directly for enterprise-level integration. All right, here's my honest take after using Otter AI across multiple meetings, demos, and tests. Ease of use, honestly, a 10 out of 10. The interface is super intuitive, whether you're tech-savvy or just starting out. It takes only minutes to get the hang of it. Transcription accuracy, it's impressive, around 90% accurate, especially in quiet environments or when people speak clearly. It even nails speaker labels and action items most of the time. Productivity impact is huge. It cuts out the need for manual note-taking, saves you from second-guessing what was said, and helps teams stay on the same page without constant follow-ups or who said what confusion. So Otter AI is one of those tools you didn't know you needed until you try it, then suddenly you're wondering how you ever worked without it. So that's the end of today's video. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful reviews. I'll see you in the next video.